Your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Good morning, everybody. Looking at the home view camera across the state this morning, you definitely notice here a lot of sunshine. It's nice to finally see some of that sun to help warm our temperatures up at least a little. They're not going to climb a whole lot as we go into the afternoon. That is the unfortunate bit of news. But we'll take a little bit of warming and a little bit of melting if we can get it from that radiation from the sun. We're running in the teens across the southern part of the state this morning, but still some single digits hanging on the farther north that you live, like up toward Frankfort at 9 and likely even in the upper single digits, even up across parts of Bourbon and Harrison and even up into Nicholas counties this morning. 18 now Williamsburg and 20 out toward Pikeville. Now wind chill values, well, most are above zero now, but Lexington feels like temperatures still 3 below. That's the wind chill value. We did have some flurries and some snow showers overnight into the wee hours of the morning in eastern Kentucky, but you can see the last few hours those have faded away as the clouds have moved out. It's a sunny sky across the state at the moment. There are clouds back to the west, though, that are moving south. Clouds as nearby is Bowling Green, and even clouds heading over into the Lake Cumberland area. And unfortunately, that means temperatures stop warming under those clouds, at least not warming as efficiently. We go into the afternoon, and here comes some more clouds from the west for everybody. We'll likely see a partly sunny, if not mostly cloudy sky by the afternoon. Could squeeze out a few flurries from those clouds. Teens to the north, some 20s down to the south. But because we're even bringing in clouds into the Lake Cumberland region this morning, it may only be more in the low to mid 20s if that happens south today. Tonight, more clouds move in. Where we may get a little more clearing, we could see some single digits to the north, to the south, maybe looking at an opportunity for it to stay in the teens because of those clouds around. Then tomorrow, partly sunny to mostly cloudy again, unfortunately, into Thursday night and then into Friday. Another system comes in here. That one has more moisture and likely brings us some light snow and, yes, some minor accumulations across the area. Into Saturday, that low pressure looks to start turning and meeting up with another wave of energy off to the east where a developing low pressure happens, meaning that that could throw some moisture back into eastern parts of the state, even into Saturday, providing a better chance for some snow over there into Saturday, maybe even lingering there into Sunday. But it is going to be very cold Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Into Monday, we may start to climb it mid and upper 20s. Another clipper tries to bring some snow showers, near freezing for a high back into the state on Tuesday.